Good evening, this is Jan. Now tonight I'm going to show you how to pimp up your ready meal. In this case, Indonesian Bami. Because of course, your ready meal can be quite flavorsome, but you can really improve the flavor, take it to a higher level with some simple sauces and pickled vegetables in this case, which I got here. This is a ready meal. It's Bami Goreng, so that means fried bami noodles. Typical Indonesian dish. And right here I got all the good stuff that will improve, that will pimp up my ready meal. This is Sambal Oelek, of course the traditional Indonesian red pepper sauce kind of thing. And this is Kecap Asin. That is the Indonesian soy sauce, the salty version. Here I got Acar Campur, which is pickles, pickled vegetables, Indonesian style, also Malaysian. And these vegetables are in this jar: carrot, white cabbage I read, leek also. And this of course gherkins, Dutch style. This goes into the microwave for about 4.5 minutes. I will add all the flavors. I'll start with the Kecap Asin. I hope it's sufficient because I thought I had more in the bottle, but well, let's see. Okay. Must be enough. I'll stir this into the bami. So as I said, this is a salty version because I don't like the sweet one that much. I mean, I'm more a fan of the salty flavor, which suits bami as far as I'm concerned very well. Then Sambal Oelek. I will put this on the side so that I can blend it in to my taste. Quite a good amount, something like this. I can always take more. Then Acar Campur, the pickled Indonesian vegetables. Yeah, they consist mainly of white cabbage. And by the way, the color, the yellow color, comes from the addition of curcuma, turmeric. Like with many dishes. Also in some rice dishes, you know, you get the color from curcuma. Piccalilli as well. So, and the acidity, the freshness is good as a contrast with the spiciness of sambal, the saltiness of the ketchup. Right, and then last but not least, the pickles, Dutch pickles. Why not? They also give freshness. I think I take like 6, 7, even better. And then with all the sides, it looks like this. I can eat. I start with the main dish, the Bami Goreng. Right. I should have added some more ketchup. but there is no more ketchup in the bottle, so luckily I have my sambal, which is even more my style than ketchup. Red chilies. Spiciness. Let's try the Acar. Nice, sour, a little bit sweet. That really brings in freshness. After you had sambal, the spice, gherkin, I'm gonna put some more sambal in there because I definitely need more spice. By the way, if you don't have sambal, of course you can use sriracha sauce as well, you know, it's the same effect. Also red pepper stuff, so that's good. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.